Today I'm in Bonao, Dominican Republic, meeting Rosalinda, a local business owner who has operated her clothing store for 8 years. We're going to learn more about what she sells, what it takes to run a business here, and what everyday life is really like for a Dominican entrepreneur. Let's meet Rosalinda. Hello, I'm here with Miss Rosa. Okay, how are you doing? Who owns the shop? And what's the name of the shop?
Hello, my name is Rosalinda. So the name of my store is D Variedades Rosalinda Clothing.
And what do you sell? What type of clothes?
What's the clothes? The AM, 8 a.m. on clock, 7 p.m. on clock.
No, que vente.
The robes for the woman, the lady.
Ladies, okay.
So for example, I'm checking here. Un momentico. You come here, please. Come in. That's here for the lady people, okay? Up you go, him.
Maybe that. So if a guy want to come here and bring his lady to look for clothes, they come here, right?
Yes.
Okay. All right. It's the best in town?
The what?
Mejor en la ciudad.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Okay. Bien. ¿En cuántos años
The
tiene
business?
la tienda? Yes, sí.
I have the 8 new year. 8.
8 years. 8 years.
Yeah,
Okay.
years, yes.
8 años. Okay. Bien.
Yes.
Okay. And the business bien?
Yes, it's
Okay.
very good
Okay.
here.
What season is the best season for shopping? Probably Christmas, Nada.
So, for example, the Christmas, December, and May for the Happy Mother.
Mother. Okay.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
And January and February.
Okay. You also sell, what's this?
Yes, I have with everybody.
For panties?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
And the sex boy too here. My shop here is complete.
Oh,
Yes.
okay.
So I have the body, poquito, little, so body.
Oh, okay, for the body. Yeah, okay.
Yes.
All right. All right. And tell me more about you. How's it living in Bonao? Tell me about the daily in Bonao.
What is?
In qué ciudad?
Ciudad.
Yeah.
Okay. Now here,
Here now.
but now, Calle Duarte, Los Amapola.
Yeah.
Oh,
No importa. They'll know.
English, so.
Oh, okay.
Es Bonao, Calle Duarte, Los Amapola, casi a la cancha de Los Amapolos.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Well, and I think that's all the questions I have for you. I'm gonna take a look around a little bit. Also, one last question, personal question.
I know question.
One personal.
Well, yeah.
Are you single?
Yes, I'm single.
Okay. All right. And where can they reach you at? What? Instagram.
So you need my Instagram, the Variedades Rosalinda Clothing, or just call me WhatsApp, the business 809-457-4413.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
You are welcome.
Okay. How did you learn English?
Practicando. Uno aprende a hablar inglés practicando.
¿Practicando qué?
Hablando cosas, diciendo cosas que tú no entiendas.
But now no mucho gringos aquí.
No, Bonao
No.
No coming gringo, so
Okay.
different.
So, donde
the-
practicando?
I'm the working.
Mm-hmm.
The working. I'm the April.
Okay.
Yeah, the service customer.
Oh, okay. So you work customer service.
Exactly.
Ah, okay. All right.
I hope you enjoyed the interview. If you're ever in Bonao, stop by D Variedades Rosalinda Clothing and let her know that Travel POV sent you. This was one of the most expensive Airbnbs I stayed at during my trip, but overall, it was a very nice place. I booked it for 2 nights, and the total came to $251.06, which works out to about $125.53 per night. For Bonao, that was definitely on the higher side compared to some of the other places I stayed during this trip. I found a few other properties with private jacuzzis, but most of them required a minimum stay of 3 nights. Since I only needed a place for 2 nights, this was one of the few options that gave me the private jacuzzi experience without paying for an extra night I didn't need. The apartment had 2 bedrooms, 3 beds, 2 bathrooms, a kitchen, a living and dining area, Wi-Fi, private parking, and enough room for up to 4 guests. Since I was traveling alone, it was much more space than I needed. However, the price would make more sense for a couple, family, or small group splitting the costs. The highlight was definitely the private rooftop terrace. It had plenty of room to relax, along with a jacuzzi overlooking the surrounding area. The water wasn't heated, so it was more like a small private pool, but with the hot weather in Bonao, the cool water actually felt good after spending the day outside. The host, Glennis, was also very good. She was friendly, responsive, and helpful throughout my stay. Check-in was easy, the neighborhood was peaceful, and the apartment matched what was shown in the listing. So yes, this Airbnb was expensive, but it was comfortable, spacious, private, and allowed me to book only the 2 nights I needed. The private rooftop jacuzzi made it one of the more unique places I stayed during the trip.
So here's the living room when you first come in. So you got 2 couches, nice. You have some pictures on the wall, some nice scenery, a nice little area. You also have the TV. So you have a lot of stuff here. For this outside, you have the patio. The patio has a good view of the city. We're on the 4th floor, so it's really nice. It's a nice place. I really like it. I'll show you the jacuzzi later. Here's the TV. Nice little area for if you have guests and stuff that come by. Outside there is security too as well. So here, there's no AC in the living room areas outside the rooms. So yeah. So but you got a nice dining table. You got some wines and stuff like that. You got to pay for the wines. The refrigerator, they did have complimentary drinks, so you can have complimentary waters and 1 beer. I added the other stuff in there. So here you got a nice stove, nice sink. You got everything you need here. You got the microwave. So it's a nice little thing you can have. Here you have a washer. You don't have a dryer. So you gotta hang your clothes up. But you have the upstairs. There's on the roof. You have the rooftop pool. So I mean the rooftop jacuzzi. Here's the master bedroom. You got AC in there. You have a nice mirror. So, as you see, I put my stuff down. Yeah, you got a nice little closet too. Yeah, so it's a nice room. It has AC in there. Here's the bathroom. It's only 1 bath. So here it is. The water was hot. You got hot water and everything you need in there. Here, twin beds. Also has an AC in here. A nice closet too. So you have it there. Yeah, and it's back to the living room. So on the rooftop, this is what you have. a nice area, seating area. You got the speaker there. So you have areas to sit and enjoy. There's the jacuzzi, private jacuzzi. Only you have access to the jacuzzi. You can close the door and the front door and on the other side so nobody can come in. You have another seating area. So it's really nice. The jacuzzi is not heated, which was but it's a nice little area. So you can see outside, you see the view of the whole city, for most of the city. Yeah, it's just a really nice area. The jacuzzi was nice. But you know, with water and stuff is heated, it's nice.
Desde Bonao. Entre montañas llegué caminando con su